how to download and install TonKeeper Ton Wallet. So let's get started. So firstly, open the App Store in your iOS device. If you are using the Android, then simply open the Google Play Store. Once you open the App Store, all you have to do is tap on the Search tab at the bottom of your screen. Then type down the TonKeeper and search for it. Find the TonKeeper Ton Wallet in the search results and tap on it. Simply tap the Get button or the cloud icon to download and install the app. After installation, simply tap Open to launch TonKeeper. So that is it. After opening the app for the first time, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. Ensure you keep your recovery phrase and any passcode secure to protect your assets. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.